Yo Gabba Gabba, but that's not the character. It's Yumi or something. And he already had a sugar cookie, but he just wanted one this time, so that's good.
I can go cherry myself. Look.
You want to do something for yourself? Excuse me. What is that, a cherry?
Yeah.
I like cherries.
Some dinner
Does
again.
Mama buy cherries at the grocery store? Walmart?
My cherry's my favorite.
Cherries are your favorite? Ooh, Grandpa likes cherry yogurt.
No, my favorite. My favorite too.
You changed from vanilla to cherry, now you like cherry?
Cherry's very good.
Put a little stem on it. It's beautiful. Good job. I wouldn't have thought of carrying it all the way down into there. One lone cherry. Showing your picture of your cherry.
Nice.
Put the stem straight up like that. Okay, in the bag it goes. This is your take-home bag.
Now, how about a watermelon? Can you draw a watermelon?
Ooh, that might be hard.
Picture him.
It's like a big oval. He wants you to make a picture of him. Okay, he did. With the two of you.
Oh, you want me to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a minute.